Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering both transmitter and receiver and confirming basic connections. This avoids wasted troubleshooting later. Once done, install fresh AA cells and turn the receiver on first so it can present menus. Make sure the receiver is feeding your mixer or headphones so you can hear status tones. If the receiver shows a lock icon, proceed to the menu immediately. If not, you can move directly to sync. These steps establish a stable baseline for the unlocking process. Now address the on-device key lock. Use the select/scroll knob to open the receiver menu and navigate to system or key lock settings. Many EW G4 units require a long press of the lock button to toggle. Once you choose key lock off, confirm with the encoder to apply it. Make sure you repeat the identical action on the handheld or BODAPAC transmitter, because each unit can be locked independently. If menus respond slowly, press firmly and wait a second between inputs to avoid skipping steps. Finish by performing an IR sync to transfer frequency and gain from receiver to transmitter. Align the IR windows, press sync, and wait for the confirmation message. Once synced, verify RF and AF meters and listen through headphones to confirm audio is clean. If anything still seems locked or the transmitter won't accept sync, reboot both units, try an alternate frequency bank or channel, then retry sync. Troubleshooting tip: persistent lock behavior often clears after a full power cycle and reselect.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.